Hey guys, welcome to the video tutorials of codeandtest.com, and in this video we'll talk about software development life cycle or SDLC. So what is SDLC? SDLC is a detailed plan to create, develop, test and eventually implement a software. Now, why do we need a method or process to develop a software? Answer is simple. Software development is a complex job. There are different phases a software undergoes before it's delivered to the customer. Okay, like the phases like planning, analysis, requirements gathering, designing, coding, testing, maintenance. So to manage this complexity and make things easier, we have different SDLC methodologies. Okay, now any SDLC method or methodology should result in outputting high quality software that meets the customer expectations, works effectively and efficiently, reaches completion in time and cost estimates. Okay, so that's about SDLC. And in this diagram represents fundamental SDLC process. Okay, it doesn't represent a waterfall model or a V model or a Scrum model. It's just a basic fundamental SDLC process. It has analysis, design, coding, testing and implementation. Some call this last phase implementation as installation also. So let's see this one by one. Analysis. This phase is to analyze the system, gather requirements and add any missing requirements or delete extra requirements and set project goals. Set project goals. Basically this phase deals with gathering end user needs, what the user wants from the software, and noting down the requirements and understanding them. Okay, so this deals with gathering information from the user and understanding them. Right, the next one is design. In this phase, the desired features and the operations of the software are described in detail, including modules, the screen layouts, the business rules, functionalities in detail. Okay, and apart from that, documentation is done, but functional requirements are prepared. Okay, so here the desired features and operations of a software are described in detail. Right, next is coding. The code is written in this phase. The actual code of the software is written. Okay, testing. In this phase, software is tested for bugs. Different types of testing is done to check if software will perform as expected in real time or not. Right, like when I mean different types of testing, I mean functional testing, non-functional testing, system testing. All types of testing is done to check if software will perform as expected in real time or not. All right, so the next one is implementation, and in this phase software is put into production where it runs the actual business, that is software is used by the client in real time. Okay, and yes, some call this implementation as installation, which is okay. Implementation and installation is one and the same. So that was about SDLC and fundamental SDLC process. The idea was to just give you a brief introduction about this SDLC and the fundamental SDLC process. You will learn this analysis, design, coding, testing and implementation in detail throughout the series, throughout this manual testing video series. So that was about SDLC and fundamental SDLC process, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.